Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described. And honestly, it's better than I expected. Check it out through the link below. You'll see exactly why it's so popular. Wait a sec. Before you scroll, check this out. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given it 5 stars, and after testing it, I see why. Don't wait too long. Check the link in the description before it sells out. Okay, not gonna lie, this one's kinda crazy good. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately.